Respected Kishan Reddy garu, Krishna Sagar Rao garu, Kapil Group, in fact, Vaman Rao garu leru. Ayane goppa excellent businessman. In fact, I feel Business Excellence Award should go to him first. For 40 years, I know how difficult it is with 16,000 employees taking care of growing group, really great. The last 40, I also started my professional life in 81. I know how difficult it is. I've seen many industries, very tough, it may be easy to start, sometimes very tough to start, but getting success after success and sustaining success is very difficult. Difficult part is sustaining success. అదే విధంగా గ్రూప్లో ఇక్కడ ఉన్న పెద్దలు రామారావు గారు, రాము శర్మ గారు, చంద్రశేఖరరావు గారు, హనుమంతరావు గారు, కిషన్ మోహన్ గారు, ఇంకా చాలామంది పెద్దలు ఉన్నారు. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఫర్ ఆల్ ద అవార్డీస్, ఐఎమ్ రియలీ హ్యాపీ. HMTV is doing a great job. Earlier, Hans India also has done the job of appreciating and recognizing the excellence. Madam has talked now, in Honorable Governor has spoke about, the culture of excellence. But I would like innovation thought. But I would like to say only one method, one way of success. Success is nothing but a culture, a way of doing things. Then only success comes. Always, I do a lot of cost reduction programs. I've revived almost 175 companies. I'm on so many boards. I'll say, operational cost excellence through operational excellence. At every stage, training. Very tough to get success, since, every employee of your organization, every part of your organization should aim at success. So to get that culture in the organization, the toughest part. So I'm very happy that, all of you have working for it. I think you must be working for it. If not, you will not get. And my experience, sir, is so tough getting profit. Profit is a so tough word in today's business, ethically getting profit. So always I say, achieve excellence through values. So please keep in mind, you have to get excellence, but sustaining is very tough. Once you get excellence, but sustaining, with so much of churning, with so much of competition, I have seen the industries of 80s and 90s have become sick. And only when a person evolves and, changes with the changing times only can succeed. The changing times will put so much pressure on industries. So I have only 4 or 5 mantras. The first mantra is training and aim at operational excellence at every stage. Number 2 is keep close watch on what is happening around and change with the changing times. The third is practice values. Getting success with values is very important, and design systems for sustaining success. So these 4 mantras, I wish, of course, first mantra, Madam has given innovation. Only innovation. I'm an ordinary cost accountant, starting from a science background, of course, I'm a CA also, but starting from there, achieving all these success is nothing but changing with the changing time, changing our knowledge with the changing time, meeting the changing needs of time. So with this, you will get success. You can sustain success. I wish all the participants and all the awardees to continue to get success after success. And always you should create benchmarks for breaking them. Always I believe the moment you feel that we got success, then you are gone. So always you should think something else to achieve. So please, with all this, I pray God to bless you with more and more laurels and success. Thank you very much. And I really appreciate Kapil Group for rewarding and recognizing success. I tell you many times, when the hard-earned success is not recognized, people feel dejected. So recognizing, rewarding, gives it like a big complex, it's like a tonic. So Kapil Group variki manokkasari Vaman Rao garu leru and inkokkasari namaskaram cheptu, for I can imagine how much tough life he must have got to bring to the group to this level. So all the best to the group members. ఎంతమంది డైరెక్టర్లు ఉన్నారు, అందరూ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఎడిటర్స్ ఉన్నారు, మొత్తం అంతా ఉన్నారు. అందరికీ కూడా I wish all the best, and I compliment you. I wish you should continue to achieve success. All the best, అండి. నమస్కారం. సర్వే జనా సుఖినో భవంతు.